guys, welcome back to my channel. Tonight I just wanted to share with you 4 notebooks that I call the Girls of Summer. The covers are cardboard. They have images of the girls stamped on them. They're decorated with vintage lace, buttons, paper. There are book plates that hold the titles of each notebook. And they're tied with vintage sari silk. They're just super cute, super fun. They'll go in any purse, backpack. And I just had a lot of fun making them, and I think they scream summertime, have fun, enjoy yourself. There's lots of paper in them. If you'd like to see a more in-depth video about how I made these, be sure and leave me a comment below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that little bell, and I will see you next time. Thanks, guys. Bye.